WIX Multilingual built-in app lets you translate your entire site into 180 plus languages with automatic URL structure and SEO support. Here's how to do it. Open WIX Editor, left menu, Settings, WIX Multilingual, Get Started, choose Primary Language, click Add Languages, select Secondary Languages, Spanish, French, German, etc. Next. WIX auto-duplicates your site and starts machine translation, Google-powered. Review and edit translations, Dashboard, Translate, click any page, element, edit text manually, or accept auto-translation. Translate menus, buttons, forms, blogs, store products, etc. Customize the language switcher, add, apps, language menu, choose flag or drop-down style, place on header, footer, publish, done.